Hey guys, it's Glenn from GlennCarCollection.com, and this is an interesting video. What are the most popular car colors in the USA for 2023? And some of these answers are actually going to shock you. Some won't be shocking, but a lot of will. Remember, if you like what you see on this channel, hit the subscribe button, like and share this video so our channel can grow. And as always, leave a positive comment below. Let me know what colors you were surprised by. They're taking the top 13 colors, so I'm going to go with least popular to most popular. And the least popular one shocks me, and actually the most popular one shocks me too, so make sure to watch the entire video. There are some surprises here. I own the least popular color, and I own one of these in this color, is actually yellow, with 0.1% of the cars being yellow. And that shocked me because when you hear the next couple colors, they're so obscure colors that you would think yellow would be ahead of them. Now, one thing about yellow, believe it or not, has one of the highest resale values of any car. Because even though it's not a popular car, especially on new cars, because they tend to be in conservative colors, enthusiasts, especially for sports cars, Porsches, Ferraris, even my yellow S2000, they sell very well yellow cars because people who like yellow like me will pay a premium for it. I would definitely pay a premium for a speed yellow Porsche than say a gray or silver Porsche. So that is true, but it is the least popular color out of these 13 colors, 0.1%. Now the next color actually kind of surprises me because I thought yellow would be more popular with this. I definitely thought I would see more yellow cars on the road. Maybe I'm just in tune to yellow since I own a yellow car. But the next least most popular color is gold. And there's twice as many gold cars sold new in 2023 than yellow, with 0.2%. So yellow and gold, they're similar colors. Maybe if you like yellow, you like gold. I love yellow. I'm not crazy about gold. The next least most popular color is purple. Now this makes a little more sense. It's a little more than gold at just a little over 0.2%. So again, yellow least popular, then gold, then purple. We're stacking our way to the top color. The next color is beige. Now to me, beige would be looped in kind of with white since they're similar colors, but I guess not. And maybe that's why it's such a low amount. So 0.4%. So beige is twice as popular as purple or gold on a new car, which kind of makes sense, I guess. And beige is also 4 times more likely than yellow. But to me, I still think beige should kind of be in the white. Let me know in the comments below. Next color, and I can't think of too many new cars that come in this color, is actually orange at 0.6%. So believe it or not, there are 6 times as many orange cars on the road as yellow. And there are 3 times as many orange cars as purple cars. I would think there'd be more purple cars because there's various shades of purple colors that certainly aren't orange that I would think more popular. Now this next color is more of a 1970s era color, brown, 0.8%. Well, I guess a lot of conservative cars, luxury cars, some German cars come in brown. So I was going to say that I would think orange is more popular but brown. But again, we're talking about new cars and conservative colors in showrooms. So brown is 0.8%. So 8 times more popular than yellow, 4 times more popular than purple. Now we get to the good colors, all right? So now at 1% of the cars, and that is green. Remember, there's bright green like Porsches, and then there's a lot of dark green colors too on many different SUVs. So green is 1%, 10 times more popular than yellow, and that kind of makes sense. Now after that, the numbers really jump up. So the next most popular, so the 6th most popular car in the United States in 2023 is the color red, with 8%. Now remember, there's a lot of color. There's bright reds, there's dark reds. Red is a very popular color. I thought it would be higher than 8%, to be honest. I can see green with 1%. Actually, I thought, green would be higher than 1%, but red is a good color. My S2000 was red. I can't say I've had many red cars. I'd like to have some more green cars, honestly, but 8% is of the new cars sold in the US are red. Now, the next most popular color, this won't shock you at all, and it's my favorite color, blue. 10% of the cars in the US for 2023 new cars were sold in blue, and that makes sense. I like bright blues on sports cars, but there's a lot of dark navy blue, so blue is a very popular color. I actually thought blue would be higher than 10%, but I guess not. Now we get to more common colors, and these are the colors you're going to see in the showroom. So it doesn't make sense for a dealer to stock a green car because only 1% of the people are going to buy it. So the next most popular color, and I'm shocked that it's 4th, like I said, there's some surprises here in the top 4, is silver. I figured this would be number 1, and that's 12% of the cars. So when you think about it, blue has really had a lot of gains because silver is only 2% more than blue. And if you ask me that question who has more silver or blue. I would have said silver, but I would have thought silver had 4 or 5 times as many as blue. So blue's a trendy color catching on. Silver maybe is going by the wayside. Now, they also have in the top 3 colors, the next color, very similar to silver, is gray with 19% of the cars. So surprisingly, gray has even passed silver. We're still shocked that silver's in 4th place there and not much ahead of blue. All right, so you could probably guess the top 2 colors that are left. Remember, if you went this far, definitely subscribe to the channel. Let me know what your favorite color is. Out of these 13 colors, what's the favorite color in the comment below? Remember to like and share this video. All right, so top 3, we have gray at 19%. And now we're going to the top 2. There's only 2 cars left. Is it white or is it black? Which is the number 2 color and which is the number 1 color? Well, the number 2 color, you would guess it out of those 2 colors, I think, is black at 22%, leaving number 1 color as white with 26%. So that's over 1 in 4 cars. So if you went to a dealership, they had 100 cars on the lot. Maybe they don't have 100 cars on the lot anymore. Those days are probably over. That means 26 of those cars would be white. That's pretty shocking. Even if you had 40 cars on the lot, they're going to have, 11, 12 cars that are going to be white. So it's no shock that white's in the top 3. Didn't think it would be first by that. I would have thought silver, white, gray, black is probably how I would have done it. Or if I had a guess, maybe I would have said silver, white, gray, black, or silver, white, black, gray, somewhere in that range. Surprised that silver and blue are so close. That's the shocking point here. And I'm surprised that yellow is so low. So let me know what you think in the comments. What did you think would be the number 1 color? What do you think is the number 1 color in 2024? Are we going to come up with more different colors going forward? Maybe they'll be trendy. Maybe we'll see more greens and oranges and browns, or maybe we'll see some more purples and golds, or are we going to continue with the conservative trend? Thanks again for watching, guys. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.